Today, we did the dumbest thing we have ever done in our lives. We ate ghost peppers on a roller coaster. Alright, let me explain. A few weeks ago, we ate ghost peppers, which was voted in 2007 by Guinness World Record as the world's hottest pepper. And we thought that was a challenge.
In a lot of pain, man.
But just a few days ago, 4 of our girlfriends tried some and took it like absolute champs.
Go ahead.
Every time she looks at you.
At the point of pride.
Women have a higher big
Women won.
Yeah, I mean,
It's confirmed.
Yeah,
It's
it
factual.
is.
Project Dirty, 0.
So we had to do something bigger. So we got tickets to the La Ronde amusement park. La Ronde is owned by Six Flags and is a massive amusement park in Montreal. But the best part is, Darren, who's behind the camera a lot, is absolutely terrified by roller coasters.
You've only had 2 roller coasters in your life?
Yeah, this is nothing like it.
How are you feeling about this?
This is absolutely f***ing crazy, and I don't want to swear when there's children around.
Wait, what about the ghost peppers? Are you excited?
No, no, I'm not gonna eat any ghost peppers. Are you kidding me? No. This is a challenge by itself. It's okay.
So before he took the leap into the worst decision ever, Darren needed a bit of a warm-up. Our roller coaster of choice, the Goliath. Goliath is a steel hypercoaster. It's one of the biggest and tallest roller coasters in Canada and reaches 110 kilometers per hour. We were not ready, or so we thought.
Are you kidding me, dude?
But it was time for the ghost peppers, and I think our reactions speak for themselves.
Oh my god. No, dude, give me a small one too. No, wait, Matt, what is that? What is that?
It's the same size.
What is that? Oh, really? It is?
We buckled up, and it was time for hell.
You ready?
No.
Let's do it. We have to.
Why?
Matt, look down here. I can't take it. I need to get off. I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna puke for sure, dude. Stop filming, stop filming. This is the worst thing that's ever happened.
We didn't have access to any milk or water or anything for over 10 minutes and walked away feeling like the biggest idiots on the planet.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
How you feeling?
I need water.
Darren could not take it.
Tell me how you feeling.
I can't, dude. I'm numb.
Dan, come here.
Are you tired? No. Can you buy me some, please?
Give me some, give me some.
No. I'm gonna go to the restroom.
Can I have some as well?
We don't have.
I will pay you anything.
That was so dumb. No.
There's the water fountain over there.
Oh, let's go there. Let's go there.
I'd personally barely eaten anything that day, so my stomach was burning, and Amar was just sad. Matt, on the other hand, just seemed confused.
Dude, this is One Direction. I listened to the song for the first time yesterday. It's a very good song. I love One Direction.
That was single-handedly the dumbest thing that I've ever done in my life. But I did it. To prove what? I don't know. But I did it. Bucket list. Do the dumbest thing ever in your life.
So from the Project 30 team, do not ever try this. But remember to always leave with a smile. See you tomorrow.